Hello everyone and welcome to Eddie Bureau. I am Bhavna Kapoor. Today's topic is Persian Gulf security, which for some or other reason always remains in news. Now, what is the importance of countries surrounding Persian Gulf? The United Nations defines this body of water as the Persian Gulf, which is surrounded by 8 countries, that is Iran, Iraq, Bahrain, Qatar, United Arab Emirates, that is UAE, Saudi Arabia, Kuwait, and Oman. There is a commonality of interest between all these. All are United Nations members. All are major producers of crude oil and natural gas, contributing to the global economy and their own prosperity, which has further added to their geopolitical significance. What are the emerging trends of the region? Saudi Arabia is a fading power. UAE, Qatar, Iran are emerging as new regional leaders. Oman and Iraq will have to struggle to retain their sovereign identities. Further, the GCC is effectively ended and OPEC is becoming irrelevant. From these two images, you can locate GCC and OPEC countries. GCC refers to Gulf Cooperation Council and OPEC refers to oil producing and exporting countries. GCC countries are UAE, Bahrain, Saudi Arabia, Oman, Qatar, and Kuwait, whereas OPEC countries are Iran, Iraq, Kuwait, UAE, Saudi Arabia. These countries are out of Persian Gulf countries, and the rest you can locate from the map. How has been India's relations with the Persian Gulf? First, let's talk about India and GCC countries, which has been marked by blossom economic and political relations in recent years. Further, GCC suppliers account for 34% of India's crude oil imports. Next, we talk about India and Iran, which is marked by friendly relations but face complex time due to USA pressure, which has political and economic impacts. In 2018, USA abandoned the nuclear deal and reinstated economic sanctions against Iran. So with this, I end my today's video. Thank you and take care.